Right. Alright, I'm trying to get some clips, Nick. Huh. Good? Yep. Good. What a grenade. Yeah. All right. I'm back there. This is Sunny? Yeah, hold. He's just holding it tight. We gotta go around it. You wanna go through there or around? Let's go around. Hit. Try middle. I can move over. Yo! God fucking damn that explosion. What the fuck?
You good? Nice shot, nice shot.
Yo, yo, yo. They're right there. Sorry. You alright? Was that me? Oh, that was them. That was them shooting at me and it hit you.
That shit hit my ears, bro.
Oh, bro, you
I did
okay?
it right in front of my face.
Fuck. I gotta get help. I gotta get fucking ear protection on this. Bro, that grenade was crazy. God damn, man. Oh, fuck. Why does it keep going on full auto?
Nice trade, nice trade.
Yep. Hey, I'll call it. I'm hit. Hit. I gotta stop fucking with that sugar. All right. Oh, sorry.
Don't worry about it, buddy.
Who's running from the back? My bad, boss.
Nicely done. GG.
Huh?
Great nice trade.
Yeah, yeah. I'm fucking out of ammo. Fuck. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, GG.
GG, bro. Hit, hit, hit. Hit. You good, boss?
Yeah, I got hit in the ass.
That's not that shit.
Tender.
Tender as hell. Whew.
What's your name, buddy?
Jamar,
Ali.
nice to meet you, bro. Whew. All right. All right, let's go. Hit. Be a good sport. Call it in. Let's check around. What's that in this bucket? Get your fuck safe. Okay. That's mad. All right. Keep it on there. Oh, fuck. Nice shot. Ah, damn. Sir?